For those who want to achieve a light strip anamorphic look similar to anamorphic lenses, Freewell offers two streak filters, gold and blue, that simulate the anamorphic light and lens flare. Oh my, and let's have some fun. Indeed, the Freewell streak filters require a source of light somewhere in the background. It's made to work that way. So with a friend of mine, I tested these filters in the gym. It's a pretty dark place with some overhead tungsten lights, and I used the Sweat E90P LED panel as a fill light. So these filters are completely magnetic and easy to attach. If you get both blue and the gold filters, for example, you can switch between them in a second. I chose to go with the 67mm size because most of my prime lenses share a 67mm filter size. And now when it comes to the performance, I did not notice any autofocus speed draw when using the filters, and the image quality remained the same with and without the filters. Also, didn't notice any difference in sharpness with or without the filters. However, the gold streak filter has a slightly warm tone, while the blue filter has a remarkable blue tone. I mean, like when using auto white balance, and indeed that's not an issue when adjusting the white balance manually. Now we'll keep you with some samples with the gold and the blue streak filter side by side. The blue filter indeed makes a blue light strip, and the gold filter creates warm light strip. Two filters with two different output for different scenarios. And when you rotate the filters, you get different light strip directions. And for your information, Freewell sent me these filters to review here on this channel. However, my feedback is unbiased. I trust the Freewell products, and that's why I accepted the project in the first place. Check my previous video about the world's first versatile magnetic all-in-one filter kit, and I will keep the links somewhere here up at the corner. And from an artistic point of view, when using these same filters with a wide-angle lens, whether the gold or the blue, it will show many light strips in your scene if there is already many lights in your background, and they don't look the best in my opinion, and therefore zoom lenses render a better result. However, the light sweep effect gets less when the source of light is underexposed. I mean, here for example, Sammy is well exposed and the light in the background is slightly lower. Therefore, the filter effect is minimal. Bear that in mind so you can control the light strip. On the other hand, here we have another shot with a bright light, leading to a strong strip effect. So I'm quite happy with these filters, and indeed they will add an additional value to my workflow. They are a little bit overpriced in my opinion, but definitely worth it if you have a use of it. Thank you for watching guys, and I hope this video will help in making your decision. Show me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful, and bump that subscribe button for more camera gear reviews. This was Oma, and see you guys in another one.